called? Today, play Escape the Rat. Well, that's not actually what it's called, but I don't care. Open it from a biggie. Oh, okay then. Let's see. Cheese, yummy. Oh. If you hear something in the back, it's my brother watching Naruto. I think that's what it's called. Shake the whole damn place. Open up on Biggie. Okay. Yummy cheese. Oh. Yummy cheese. Guys, don't judge. I don't know barely anything about this. Oh no. My Logan. My brother. I didn't even notice because I was looking at my brother Logan. I think I have 3 or 4 cheeses, I think. So I'm just gonna follow this cup. Where is this? Where's this green hallway with a key? I know there is one. I'm pretty sure this is the right way. No! Oh no! Help me! Help me! Why is he camping? Camper! 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 Help me, guys. Guys. The rat's chasing me. The biggie's chasing me. Oh god. That scared me so bad. Well, since I'm traumatized now, that's gonna be the end of my video. Finding it, so we're just gonna do another part. So this is part 2, I guess. Yeah. Not bad. Okay. Only need 4 more. Now we gotta find the green door. I don't know what that was. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh no. Biggie's here. Biggie, everybody run. Biggie. Biggie, what did I ever do to you? Okay. I'm kind of just doing this on purpose so I can make him mad. But he's not really mad, but I don't care. Oh no, I died. I totally didn't do that on purpose. Where's the green key? Why? I'm gonna crush him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, that one wasn't my fault. Open up from Biggie. Good for you. Guys, I was just reading that girl's username, okay? Is he saying Jesus or Jesus? This is totally the right color. Let me in. Where is the green door? I've only played this like a few times, so I haven't memorized. I'm pretty sure it's close by here or something. What did I do? What did I do? If I die, it's kind of my fault, but I want to know where the green door is. Someone go, wee. Help me. Green talkies, help me. My bad. I'm raging. Where is the green door? You're camping. Why do you always go for me, little bro? What did I do? What did I do? LOL. LOL. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm about to end this video because I'm about to rage quit so hard. That nose of yours. Ugly ass nose. Clown at. How did he not see me? Or she? Guys, where is the green door? Logan, where's the green door? And Cheese Escape. No, who played this? What the freak is that? Guys, I'm about to rage quit, so bye-bye. I finally found it, and my brother told me it's backwards. Oh, that was easy. Did they really just copy from Danny's World? Isn't that like the sound of the elevators or whatever they're called? Okay. Why is it all dark? What the frick? You don't know, honestly, how long this took me to freaking get here. So, I better be able to get everything. I'm pretty sure the red key's in here, and there's also some cheese. Okay, I want to get the red key, and then cheese. How are you? I'm not good, thanks. Don't ask how that was. Please tell me it's safe. I don't know why I just flipped upside down, but I don't know if that happened for me or you guys too, so we're just gonna say that. Where's the red door? Let's put this in here. This is totally the red door. Where's the red door? Oh, red door. Come out, wherever you are. There it is. Oh, you're telling me I have to... I'm pretty sure I have to come back. Hell no. As you keep... I'm glitched. That's why. So... Bye. Because I'm actually mad. Actually, that's way different Roblox game. What should I play? Guys, what should I play? I'm gonna end the video here, but leave it down in the comments what I should play next.